Hi guys. Second time during film this. Dogs, which you're gonna hear jingling. I was trying to film my Topbox this month, and everything it just wasn't working. So I'm gonna talk about the products really quick, and then I have a mystery box. So the first thing I got this month was the Miradesso Tinted All-in-One Moisturizer. Full size of this product is $48. I don't think you can access the Birchbox store through Canada anymore. Birchbox is now no longer available in Canada. So, the fuck. But I did get the full size of this, and it was amazing. I have already run through it. My one problem is that $48 is less than an ounce of product. But it's lovely, it's not too greasy, it's just the right amount of moisturizing. My dog's trying to eat my pillow again. I'll do that in a minute. Anyway, it's good stuff. Ooh, also, a couple of codes for you. There was also this Fisherman of Nova Scotia lip balm in Fresh Mint. And if you use the code Topbox free LB, you can get another free one of these when you order, and also be entered into a draw to win this bucket of stuff. So that's pretty cool. Then there's also these Masquerade All Eyes on Me sheets. They're the under eye jelly masks, 4-pack for $24.50. Very interesting. Ooh, and also with the Miradesso, sorry, going backwards, with the tinted moisturizer, if you are ordering from them, you get 20% off using the code TOPBOX20. It's not specifically for this product, just if you order from their website. And that is, ooh, wait, sorry. And that is Miradesso.com. There you go. Okay. And then the last product are these Redken FPF 10 finishing sheets. So it's really weird. They look and they kind of smell like dryer sheets. I don't know why you wouldn't just use dryer sheets, because I've heard for years that that's a thing you can do. And apparently if you're getting a lot of frizz, you just take them and rub them on your hair. It is wash day for me. Buddy! Excuse me while I kill my beagle. Get out from my pillows! Stop eating my pillows. They're my pillows. How will I sleep without any pillows? Hey, little man? Seriously, this thing, culprit of so much trouble. I'm gonna put you out. There you go, buddy. There you go. The big one's going with you. Go on. Go on. Both of you go out. Go on. Okay, and then finally I have this mystery box, which I don't know what this is. I was supposed to be at some point in time receiving a Glam Sense. No! Glam Sense box. Which theoretically this is. Let's see. Yes, this is the Dove Glam Sense box. So, now you know everything I've received. I'm actually going to do that Glam Sense box in a separate video. So, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Okay,